With my newly acquired super elevated track, I decided to replace this part of the track 1 loop. I'm glad I'm doing this because the previous track that I'm taking apart right now, there is some issues with it. So on the connector points, the ends would go up and then the middle of the track would go down. So when the trains would be running on this track, it would just go up and down, up and down. So I'm glad I'm replacing this track, so that way the trains running on this track will have a smoother experience going on it. And I just thought it was about time to get some new track. At first I had trouble figuring out which track pieces go where on the half loop. After a bit of research and thinking to myself, where do the track pieces go, I was able to figure it out, mostly. So there's the actual super elevated track, and then there's the transition ends. And so there's specific marks on the tracks like P-Cal and P-Car. P-Cal is for the left side, and then P-Car is for the right side. And after assembling this track, it does look a bit weird with the concrete ties, with the wooden ties. But after looking at it for a bit of time, I got used to the look, and it does actually look nice. I think the concrete ties and wooden ties blend together quite nicely. And as I'm about to find out when running the trains on this track, the super elevated track is a whole other experience compared to regular track.